Okay, so in this class we are going to solve the past paper, that is 062022 means MCQ paper, and this is Feb March series 2024. MCQ paper is of 45 minutes and the total marks for the MCQ paper is 40. Let's start with MCQ number 1. Solid X is heated for 600 seconds. The graph shows the heating curve that is obtained. So this is heating curve. Remember that we have two different type of curves in Cambridge IGCSE 0620 chemistry. One is cooling curve and the other one is heating curve. This one is heating curve. Okay, now the time is given on x-axis, the temperature is given on y-axis. Okay, the line that we get in the start, this shows the substance is solid. Okay, and what is the temperature that we have here? Okay, this is the 100 degrees Celsius and here we have 0 degrees Celsius. The total difference between 0 till 100 is of 10 boxes and the number is 100. It means that if we divide 100 divided by 10 boxes, so we have the value 10. So it means the temperature that each box is representing, this is 10, this is 20, this is 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay, and each box is representing 10 degrees Celsius. Now the first straight line that we can see, this is it. Whenever we get a straight line after solid, this shows that this is the melting point. The solid is melting at this state. Melting starts at this point and it is completed at this point. Let's say if we say this is X point and this is Y point, so at Y the melting has been completed. So the solid is converted into liquid state. So you will represent this line as a liquid. Now this straight line is representing the boiling point. So let's say if we say this is P and this is Q. So at P the liquid starts to boil, means it is changing into vapors phase. At Q the boiling is completed, all of the liquid is converted into gaseous phase. So now this line is called gas. So the states that we have, this is solid, then this is liquid and this is gas. Okay, the first straight line that we have, it is melting and this one is boiling process. Now what is the melting point of X? Okay, melting point of X, basically we need to match the melting point line straight to the y-axis to check like what is the temperature. Okay, so this is 100, so it means that this is 110, this is 120, 130, 140 and 150, 160 and 170. So this is the 170 degrees Celsius. So answer for question number 1, MCQ 1 is B1. 170 degrees Celsius is the melting point of this solid that has been heated for 600 seconds. Okay, let's move to MCQ number 2. Which statements about diffusion are correct? Okay, what is diffusion? Diffusion is actually a process for the movement of the molecules. The molecules can be in liquid state or can be in gaseous state. So when molecules they move from higher concentration region to a lower concentration region, we say that this is diffusion. Okay, so we need to check which statements are correct. Aqueous ions cannot diffuse in water. Diffusion is caused by the random movement of particles. Particles spread out in all directions in diffusion. Diffusion can only take place in solids and liquid. Okay, if we check statement number 4, so diffusion happens only in gases and liquids. So statement 4 is incorrect. Particles spread out in all directions in diffusion. So yes, it is correct. They diffuse, they move in all directions due to kinetic energy, due to because the molecules, the particles hit each other during movement. Statement 2 is also correct. Diffusion is caused by random movement. Yes, particles randomly move, so they move from higher region area to lower region area. Aqueous ions cannot diffuse in water. Aqueous ions can diffuse in water. So statement 1 is incorrect. It means that 2 and 3, option C is correct for MCQ 2. Next is MCQ 3. Which statement about an atom of fluorine, which is atomic number of fluorine is 9 and the mass number is 19, is correct? It contains a total of